let's talk about something that sounds intimidating, but is actually one of the smartest things that you can do for your business: a quick audit. At BudgetEase, we don't just cross our fingers and hope your books are accurate. We verify it. Whether it's your small business or a nonprofit, or just you're knee-deep in QuickBooks catch-up, our quick audit is the first step to make sure your financials are clean, clear, and compliant. And yes, we've got a free quick audit checklist that you can grab right now, because who doesn't love a good checklist? So what's in the quick audit? We dig into your QuickBooks file and look at everything from your balance sheet and profit and loss comparisons across years to cleaning up your chart of accounts. No more duplicate categories from 2017 haunting your reports. We check your accounts receivables and payables for accuracy and make sure payroll is balanced and entered correctly. How about your bank reconciliations? Are they all up to date? And are there any uncleared transactions? We even look at class tracking, proper categorization, and vendor files. And here's the kicker. Every BudgetEase client gets a second set of eyes on their books twice a year. It's our way of keeping things accountable and accurate, because your numbers deserve more than a once-over. Now, why outsource your accounting? Our bookkeeping service helps you stay focused on your mission while we handle the spreadsheet stress. So if you're ready to do your audit our way or your way for peace of mind, contact BudgetEase today. Let's make your numbers behave and give your sanity a break. Hey, thanks for joining us at the BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.